Knock knock. Who's there? I am consonant digraphs. Again a consonant digraph? Yes, but this time I'll tell you my name with a jingle. Fantastic is fun, but PH can make that sound too. Let's learn how it's done. So PH is also having the same sound like F, that is. So I have some questions related to this. So watch this video till the end. Let's see the first word. The first word is own phone. Own phone. And the sentence is your phone is ringing. And the second sentence is my phone is on the table. Now the second word is auto photo. Auto photo. He took a photo of the dog. Now the next is I love looking at old photos. The next word is phase. Is phase. The moon has many phases. It's just a phase. She will be fine. Next up we have raise phrase. Raise a phrase. Say with me. Raise a phrase. Thank you is a kind phrase. Next sentence is, can you repeat that phrase for me? Next is obia phobia. Obia phobia. A phobia is a strong fear. He has a phobia of heights. Now, if you know what do you call a phobia of heights, tell me in the comment box. Next is phonetic phonetic. Phonetic phonetic. We use phonetic sounds to write the words. The phonetic chart helps with reading. So PH makes the sound. Next up we have dolphin. Dolphin. So here PH is in the middle. And the sentences are, a baby dolphin is called a calf. Dolphins are friendly to people. Next up we have elephant. Elephant. This baby elephant is so cute. I saw a big elephant at the zoo. Now the next word is pharmacy. Pharmacy. Say with me, pharmacy. She went to the pharmacy for the medicine. The pharmacy is near to my house. Now fill in the blanks with PH words. The first one is, I called my mom on the dash. Fill in the blank and write down in the comment box. Second is, the dash jumped out of the water. Third is, she took many dash of her trip. Fourth is, we went to the dash to buy medicine. And the last one is, and dash has a long trunk. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.